Today I'm taking a look at the Rocoren Energy Station Series desktop charger. Power port there in the back. We've got some rubber feet on the bottom. In the front, we have got a ton of USB-C ports and 3 USB-A ports. If you look closely, you can see that these are kind of marked out. So these ones on the left here are for a laptop and for a phone. Ones on the right are just for a phone. So I assume these ones are going to be slightly lower output. If you look in the back, we can see that's 100 to 240 volts. So it's good for international or domestic. It outputs a bunch of different amps depending on what is plugged in. I do like to actually have the ports listed though. Charging port 1 is 100 watts, so we got 65, 100, and we just count those all the way down. We also got our power cable, and we got our instructions, and this also gives us a layout of the output power of those different ports. So if we plug this guy in, do not see any LEDs or indicators on there to let us know it's on. If you prefer a very dark environment in your room, then that is actually going to be beneficial. So I'm going to start with my laptop. I'm going to use port 1 because I know that is 100 watts, and we can see that the icon did go to charging. So now the laptop is taking a charge from this station. And I want to see if I can charge 2 devices at a time, so I got the laptop going. I'm also going to charge my phone. And we are charging. I'm curious if I plug this into the 100 watt. Oh, cool. So we can see on there that we are in fact super fast charging. So that is getting the full charge from this station. So that's very nice. Most of these chargers top out at about 100 watts, maybe a little bit more. This one is supposed to be capable of 400 watts in total. That is very impressive, especially for the size. If you need to charge a lot of devices and doing that all just with one cable to a wall outlet, that is going to be an excellent charger for that.